Welcome to our English class. I hope you all are doing great. Yes, lovely children. Children, in our previous class we have learned about letters A, B, C and letter D. So, today we will learn about a new letter, and a new letter is letter E. This is letter E. This is letter E. E says E. You know, children, E is a wall also, right? And it has two sounds. How many sounds? Two sounds. One is a short sound and another one is a long sound. Long. Yes. So let's begin with letter E and its sound, phonic sound. Letter E has a short sound which says E. It says E. E says E as in elf, as in egg, as in elbow, as in elbow, as in elbow, as in envelope. Envelope. What is envelope? Envelope is a paper bag sort of a, जिसके अंदर हम अपनी letters जो हैं रखते हैं and we post them. Now coming to the last vocabulary word of letter E, it is elephant. Elephant. So children, you must have noticed that in all these vocabulary words, only a short sound is coming. Now I will tell you about a long sound of letter E, which says E. Eagle. East. Engine. Yes, you are right. So always remember that letter E has two sounds. But today we will focus on letter E, phonic sound E. Okay? Now let us all sing aloud the phonic song of letter E. Sing aloud with action. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, Crack the egg like this, Yes! So this is all to memorize you the phonic sound of letter E. Now, let's all write the letter E in the air. So everyone quickly take out your magic finger. Writing letter E is very easy and simple too. Let us all make one standing line like this. And now, after dropping the standing line, from the beginning, from the top, make another sleeping line, the first sleeping line, joining the top of a standing line. Now from the middle of the standing line, draw another sleeping line, joining the standing line. And now from the bottom, draw another sleeping line. So here it becomes letter E. E. This is letter E. This is letter E. Very good, children. Now, let us all make the baby of letter E, that is E, a lowercase e. For that, it is very simple. Make letter C, a lowercase c, and then from the middle, draw one sleeping line, joining the letter C. Here it becomes letter E. You can also make one sleeping line first and then from the top make it a C. This is letter E. See, so simple it is. So children, now it's time for me to say bye-bye. But before that, think of more vocabulary words with the phonic sound of letter E.